Alright guys, I'm here to test out this Bonnet dryer attachment. I'm not going to do my full hair routine just because I want to let the product do its thing. So I'm just going to, I got gel in my hands. I'm using Redken Curvaceous gel. And I'm just going to scrunch that up into my hair. Get it nice and coated. Run my fingers through. Just to make sure I have some product in here so my curls hold well. Alright, I think that's probably good. So, like I said, I'm trying the Bonnet. This is what it looks like. It's got this nice long tube that you connect to your hair dryer. It says it goes on to any kind of hair dryer. So I'm just using my Revlon hair dryer here. And this thing has a stretchy thing that's supposed to go on the top of this, so I'm going to see how. Oh, that went over pretty easy. I'm just going to scoot it down as much as I can. There's like these holes kind of on the side. I don't know if you can see, but so I think you're supposed to smush it down as much as you can. That's what I did anyway. So now let's put this part on my head. So I'm going to assume, let me look at this picture. The tube is supposed to go on the side of your head. So it's kind of strange because there's like little clasps here. I'm not really sure what those are for, if they're supposed to be on the side. So I'm just going to tuck those bad boys up. And I'm going to flip my head over so I can get all my hair inside. And I'm just going to put my hair in it. Oh, this is kind of hard. Put my hair in it. And cinch. Oh, it's not easy, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna cinch that tight and then try and just tuck up some of these strands that are falling. I'm gonna try this again. First attempt was a fail, so let's try it again. I'm going to try with the clasp thing in the front this time so it's easier to find and cinch. I'm going to kind of pony my hair and shove it in. That seems to be easier. And now that the hair is all in, I'm going to just hold this cinch nice and tight around my head. Okay, well that's something. So I'm just gonna turn this on. I have it on warm. You don't want to heat your hair up too fast or it's gonna cause more frizz. So I'm just gonna have it on warm and then I'm gonna put it on low. Ooh, okay. There's little holes, I don't know if you can hear me over the blow dryer, but there's little holes on the inside of this, and you can definitely feel it circulating around your head. So this is how you use it, and it seems to be working. I got a nice, whatever you want to call this, bouffant. So yeah, I think that's a good video of how you use it. So I'm just gonna let it do its thing for a bit, and I'll also post a few pictures of my results.